Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. Here to show you this 08 Ford F-450 we have for sale. It's a two-wheel drive truck. It's only got 69,000 miles. It's a one-owner truck. It's got a, I think that's 11-foot flatbed. I'll have to walk it off. It's got a Van air compressor on it. Really nice truck. Walk around and show it to you. Good set of tires on it. The only thing I would really pick this truck for is it's got a little rip right there, and the mat's got some wear, which is pretty normal on these 08 to 10s. If you can't live with that, I can have it fixed. The seat would cost about $100 to recover that side. Back tires are like brand new. And the mat, put a mat in it, you'd be looking somewhere around $200 to put a new mat. So if you wanted both of those things, it'd be about $300. I know to most people it's not going to matter. Model number on the Van Air, 185 UDEC. Another thing, this truck has a big air hose back here, right there. Got your regulator. I know most people probably aren't going to use that big of a hose. They'd rather have the smaller one to run their tools with. So if you wanted us to change that to a smaller hose, we could do that, or you can do it. You can get one Harbor Freight, I think, for about $60 for reel and hose. Rear tires. All right, I'm gonna start it up and I'll turn the compressor on. $69,862. Set your emergency brake. Put the PTO on. Pressure you got. Thing's got a lot of pressure. PTO off, compressor goes off. Alright, that's actually a 12-foot flatbed. I just walked it off. Inside's really nice and clean on this truck. Headliner's nice. Alright, if you got any questions, give us a call, 256-624-6510 or 256-310-6852. Our website is heavymetaltrucks.com. You can go on there and look at the trucks we sell. We sell really nice stuff. We check them out, we drive them. Try to fix anything that's wrong with any of them. This truck does have cruise and tilt wheel. I think that's about it. Good low mileage truck. Don't wait around. This thing will probably sell pretty quick with these miles. Give us a call if you're wanting to ship this truck. We can ship it to you anywhere in the US. We ship trucks in and out all week, so we can get it done a little cheaper than you can because we're a dispatcher. So I guess that's about it. Thank you for watching.